You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. Those are actually the same word. The top word here is the past tense of the verb to dig. So, spelling D-U-G is dug. Past tense, as in, yesterday I dug a hole in the ground. Dug, it's a schwa sound, it's an sound. The verb in its form at the present is dig. Dig, an E sound, okay? Dig. Dug is the past tense, D-U-G, dug. Dig is the present. To dig, dug. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.